would you say the pill that was introduced by the so-called pharmaceutical companies, does the job of controlling cholesterol? Because what I understand is cholesterol is also needed for lots of hormones in your body. It acts like a base, which is required for other hormones to function properly. So reducing cholesterol by taking those medicines could have more impact on a person's health than just on cholesterol itself.
Yes, that is also true. There's a stage before that actually, yes, you need a certain amount and certain type of cholesterol for various functions. And reducing cholesterol by artificial aggressive methods can lead to more diseases. Yeah? But what I'm saying is that, you have a choice. You need to exercise your choice constructively. There is also a very well established school of thought which says that actually cholesterol itself is a healing process. The body produces cholesterol to repair the damage to the cardiovascular system.
Sure.
And that cholesterol is not a reason for disease, it's a healing process, and it's been misunderstood.